Cement is the foundation of modern civilization. From skyscrapers to highways, bridges to homes, it all begins with this powerful building material. But how is cement actually made? The journey starts in massive limestone quarries. Heavy-duty excavators extract limestone and clay, the essential raw materials required for cement production. These large rocks are transported to the factory, where powerful crushers break them into smaller, manageable pieces. Conveyor belts carry the crushed material toward the next stage. The materials are carefully blended to ensure a consistent chemical composition. Precision at this stage is critical for producing high-quality cement. Next, the blended material is ground into a fine powder known as raw meal. Inside enormous rotating ball mills, steel balls crush and refine the mixture into a smooth, uniform texture. The raw meal then enters the towering preheater system. Here, it is gradually heated before moving into the heart of the process, the rotary kiln. Inside the massive rotating kiln, temperatures reach nearly 1,450 degrees Celsius. At this extreme heat, complex chemical reactions occur, forming small, dark gray nodules called clinker. The red-hot clinker exits the kiln and moves into a cooling chamber. Powerful air systems rapidly reduce its temperature, preparing it for the final stage. Once cooled, the clinker is ground again, this time with a small amount of gypsum. This final grinding process produces the fine gray powder we know as cement. The finished cement is stored in large silos before being packed into heavy-duty bags or loaded in bulk for transport. From the factory, it travels by trucks, trains, and ships to construction sites around the world.
This batch looks good. Let's get it on the wall.
What began as raw stone is now a vital ingredient in the structures that shape our cities.
Yeah, it's setting up nicely.
Cement, engineered through heat, precision, and industrial innovation, forming the backbone of modern infrastructure,